Okay, so today I will be charging my battery. Much better. What is good, Romeos? This is Shauna in editing, and I just want to let y'all know real quick that I may be stepping in from time to time, depending on the audio quality, because you know that wind is blowing kind of hard. So, yeah. So what you missed or you're kind of seeing is that I took the screwdriver to loosen the screws because they were kind of tight on there, which I understand. And then I turn around and use my cordless screwdriver. It is a nice little investment. I do tell you that. It makes things so much quicker. Got a battery up in here. So I'm going to unplug. This is where my fuses are. 7A and 10A. So I'm going to undo my battery. And also when you do undo your battery and stuff, make sure everything is turned off. Don't have your scooter turned on when you undo the battery. That's how you know where your fuses are. Your fuses are located right there with your battery. And they're pretty quick and easy to change out. You do get if your scooter's new, you'll get an extra fuse. So if you ever need a fuse, you should have an extra in there if your fuse blows out. The red cord is positive. The black cord is negative. See what I mean? All that crickly noise. Irritating, I know. Promise you guys, next time I'll do better. I'll use a microphone closer to me. And it's here I remove my battery. Simple as that. You just lift and pull, or pull and lift. You can go both ways. Red is positive. Wow, this is negative. If you're wondering, whoa, there's some like moisture going on under here. That's not a good thing. But if you're wondering what the Lance Savannah Classic battery, if you ever want to replace it, what battery you need, there we go right there. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it. It is wet. It's not a good thing. And did I just lose one of my, yep, I did. Where did it fall? Up there it is. These are important, so don't lose those. Yeah. Lose it. How did you fall out of that? That's my question. Either way, sit in there. Then I have the battery tender. If you guys are curious about any of the things I show you in this video, links to those items will be in the description box below. You're welcome. See these, so negative to negative, positive, positive. Red is positive, black is negative. If you did not know, well, now you know. So when you plug these two together, you can see, hey, my battery has juice. It doesn't mean that it's fully charged. Once you plug it into a wall, which you'll see, it will turn red on me. And if you want to see the typical instructions, those are typical instructions. Instructions, how long did it say you should charge your battery for? It doesn't say, but I'm going to give it several hours. You can just plug it into the wall. So we're gonna go do that. So I'm gonna take this stuff, take my battery, sit it to the side. Close this. When you plug the negative into the negative and then the positive into the positive, just put them on there, you show that the battery has juice. And then to indicate if your charge is full or not, you'll take it and you'll plug it into the wall. And once you plug it into the wall, you'll notice, I'm trying to back it up where you can see both of them, it turns red
It turns red because the battery isn't fully charged. And then when it is fully charged, the smiley face will turn green. So I'll let this sit on here for some hours. As you can see, it's still plugged and now the light is green. It took less than 2 hours for my battery to completely charge.
Now I'm putting the battery back in. You know, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Sit it nice and neat inside of there. Put the screws back in. I'm doing the positive charge right now. Positive cord, now the negative.
Perfect.
Trying to get it where these cords like fit nicely. It seemed like when I first got the scooter and I did it, it was perfectly in there. And when I try to put it back in there, it wants to be all clunky and stuffy. You know what I'm saying? So
everything in there just right. Everything is down. This one proper.
and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm just closing it up, you know, putting the screws back where they belong. You feel me? Yeah, so I'm pretty much finished with that. The next thing I'll probably be doing is, video wise, is showing you guys how I gap a spark plug or gap my spark plug at the same time. Should I just do a voiceover too? You know, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling this voiceover thing. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Another thing is, lately I've been thinking about doing, you know, another scooter life video. If you forgot what that was, those are my little animation videos. I might be working on a project real soon for that one as well, so stay tuned for that one. Other than that, you guys, I'm kind of done. So I'll check you guys out next time. Deuces.